You know, how much can one simple word really do? We use thousands of them every single day, but it turns out some are doing way more work than others. Today, we're going to crack open the toolbox of the English language to find one of its most powerful all-purpose tools. And you probably used it on your way to work this morning.
So let's take a word like station. Seems pretty simple, right? We hear it all the time. But this little 6-letter word is a linguistic powerhouse, and what makes it so special isn't just what it means, but the exclusive club it belongs to. And there it is. This is the key that unlocks the whole thing. The quote right here is from Wiktionary's entry, and it says, "Station is on the Basic English 850 list." Now, this isn't just some random piece of trivia. It's a special designation. It tells us this word was picked for a very, very important job.
So, what is this BA150 list? Think of it like the all-star team for English words. It's this super carefully selected set of just 850 words. It was designed by a guy named Charles K. Ogden to be a simple, universal tool for communication all around the world. And Station made the cut. But what did it do to earn its spot? Well, to really get why it's on that list, we need to see just how many different jobs, or hats, you could say, this one word can wear. So let's break down what makes Station so incredibly useful.
First up, the most obvious one. As a noun, a station is a place, right? A place for transport. A train station, a bus station, it's a hub. It's this concrete place millions of us move through every day. Okay, that's hat number one.
But wait, it doesn't stop there. The word totally pivots from travel to work. A station is also a place where someone does a job. Think a fire station, a police station, or even your own little workstation. The core idea of a designated place is still there, but the context is completely different. One word, two super common but distinct meanings.
And here's where station really starts to show off. Its usefulness isn't just limited to being a noun, a thing, or a place. Nope. It makes the leap from a place to an action. It actually transforms into a verb. And just look at how easily it does it. You've got the different verb forms here: station, stations, stationed, stationing. It's a perfectly regular verb, no weird exceptions to memorize. This grammatical simplicity is a huge, huge reason it's considered a basic word. It's just easy to learn and easy to use. And the verb's meaning? It's directly connected to the noun. To station someone means to place them at a post to do a job. Like, the general will station the guards at the gate. You can totally see how the word carries that core idea, a designated place for a specific purpose, from its noun form right into its verb form.
And that, right there, is the secret. That's why station is on the list. It's like a linguistic Swiss Army knife. It's got multiple tools built into one simple package. It's a noun with several meanings and a simple, regular verb. That kind of efficiency makes it one of the most versatile words in the entire language. So let's zoom out for a second. The story of station isn't just about one word. It's the perfect example of the entire philosophy behind basic English, getting the most communication possible out of the fewest words. So what makes these basic words so powerful? Well, as we just saw with station, it all comes down to a few key things. They're incredibly versatile. They can be nouns, verbs, and more. They cover multiple common meanings. And crucially, one simple word can often replace a whole bunch of complex ones. I mean, why say assign or deploy when you can just say station? This is how you build a really strong, clear foundation for communication, not with more words, but with smarter words. So here's the main takeaway. Using a small set of these powerful, multi-purpose words isn't about dumbing down the language at all. It's about being smart and efficient. It proves you don't need a massive vocabulary to get complex ideas across clearly and effectively. You just need the right words. And that leaves me with one last thought for you. The word station was kind of hiding in plain sight, and it's not alone. There are 849 others on that list. So the next time you're talking or writing, just think about it. How many of these secret linguistic powerhouses have you used today without even realizing it?